Smoke on the Water, the solo. This is the last part of my video series. If you want to check out all the other parts of the solo, which are very cool to check out too, take a close look. In the video description I have a playlist there where you find all the other parts. I'm Hannes Knechtges and I'm happy to show you one of the coolest solos of rock history, which is not that well known to me. If I ask students, they say, of course I know. But they mostly don't know the solo at all. I mean, there are different versions out there too. I like this version here the most. And it's played by Richie Blackmore, obviously by Deep Purple. And if you have a Strat, use your neck pickup. If you have a Tele, use your neck pickup. Even if you have a Les Paul or something else, use your neck pickup if you have one, because it comes the sound of the song close enough, I think. And don't use too much gain. Use a little bit of reverb if you have, and you should be fine. Don't use too much gain because, I don't know, obviously Deep Purple didn't play those really heavy modern high gain stuff because they played on vintage Marshalls. So try to keep that in mind. Do not use too much gain or overdrive, just enough so you have a little bit of sustain to have those bendings going for a while. But it's not too much gain there. So in this video we're going to deal with the last part which I showed you in the intro, and we start for that in the 13th fret of the E string. We play it with downstroke. And then we do bending one whole tone up, down again. So it's, and again. So 3 times bending. And in between we play again the 13th fret. So it's, and actually I'm lying with my hand on all the other strings. I'm not sure if I'm also lying on the B string. Actually I am. So the other strings are muted because I'm really working hard here, because it's... You should mute the other strings so you don't have any annoying noise there. So... And don't hit the string too hard with your pick. This comes the sound of the solo close enough if you don't hit the string too hard. And then again. So the second part is 13th fret, and then 13th fret with a bending. Again 13, then 10, and then 13th fret B string. And again with a whole tone bending. So it's the second part. So we have and then we go to the 5th fret of the G string, do a whole tone bend, and then tricky part, we play with the ring finger, the pinky in the 6th fret of the B string. So we, as you can see, the moment I play with my pinky, I release the bend and leave my ring finger B. So I don't have to hold it like this. It's also cool, but we don't need that there. And again, bending and release of the ring finger. So, and I pull off to the 3rd fret of the G string where the index finger is waiting. And then 5, 3, 5. So 5th fret, 3rd fret G string, and 5th fret D string. with a vibrato on top. And then we go to the 12th fret of the G string and 13th and 11th string of the B string. So it's middle, ring, index, ring, and a whole tone bend with the ring finger at the 13th fret of the B string. So 12, 13, 11, 13, bend. 12, 13, 11, 13, 13 with bending. So. And then. We have a release of the bend, but very slow, over quite a while. Slowly down. And our last note is the 10th fret of the G string we do with the index finger, and we do a whole tone bend really slow, and at the end we put a vibrato on that. Down, 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 down. 10th fret. The whole thing. Everything with downstrokes. I play the whole solo for you now in a slow tempo so you can play along with me. I also have a fast version out there. You find that in the video description. Also, you find, of course, all the other parts of the solo tutorial in a playlist under this video. So check this out, the solo in total. Smoke on the Water, the solo. Check out all the other parts in the video description, and if you're new to the world of guitar playing, I have something cool for you too. Check out my free lessons, which you find in the description under this video. Tons of cool lessons you'll find out there if you're a beginner, no matter if you're playing on an electric guitar or on an acoustic guitar. So many cool stuff to discover there. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Hannes of Werde Musiker, and we see us in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.